Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Arogya Setu app, which is developed by Government of India. So we are going to see what is this app is about, how to use it, all those things we are going to see in this video. First, we'll see what is this app for. It is a mobile app developed by Government of India to connect essential health services with the people of India in our combined fight against COVID-19. It informs users of the app regarding risk, best practices, relevant advisories pertaining to the containment of COVID-19. So this is all about this app. Next, go to Play Store, type this spelling Arogya Setu and download it. I have already downloaded. I am going to just open it. It will ask for languages. Please select language. I have selected language. Then it will ask for next. Then read the instructions given. So here instructions are being given. Read the instruction. Next, you have to give permissions for this app. This app asks for permissions like location and Bluetooth data sharing. So you have to switch on all those things: location, Bluetooth, data sharing. Next, enter the mobile number, then you will be receiving OTP. Then you have to enter personal details: gender, name, age, profession, countries you traveled recently, are you ready to travel, all those details you have to fill and submit. Next is you can take self-assessment. Here few questions will be asked. You have to answer those questions. What is your gender, age, whether you have traveled anywhere recently. So those, do you have any symptoms of corona? So all those questions will be asked. You have to answer and submit. After submitting, your status will be updated, whether you are safe or whether any precautions should be taken. So all those things will be updated as your status. If it is green, you are risk free. If it is orange, you are advised to avoid any social gatherings. Red status means it is highly recommended to self quarantine. All those things you can see as your status. Next is recommendations are given: maintain social distance, take self-assessment test, check app regularly for updates, how to maintain social distancing. So here they have given few points. Next, COVID-19 do's and don'ts. Learn more about COVID-19, safety measures against COVID-19. Next, you can, this is PM CARES. This is a fund. You can donate using UPI. All those details is given. You can share this app by clicking on here. Next, on the top you have status, self-assessment. Next, COVID updates. Next, we will be seeing what is COVID updates. Here it contains update regarding COVID-19 across India: confirmed, recovered, deceased. All state-wise the updates have been given. So you can check the details. Here updated time is also given, whether it is updated recently or not. Updated how many hours before, that you can check it here. Next column is e-pass. So e-pass is not yet enabled. When it enables, it contains 3 colors: green, orange, red. Green status indicates risk-free individual who can use public transport and visit public places. Person with orange status will be advised to avoid gatherings and maintain social distance while being allowed to move for necessary work. Red status persons will be strongly advised to self quarantine. So you are clear about this app. Going forward, this data is likely to reflect intensity of cases in a local area to give users a sense of risk level in their neighborhood. As of now, the data is limited to state-wise distribution of cases. This app has more than 5 crore active users. This is all about Arogya Setu app. Hope you gained some knowledge from this video. Thanks for watching.